Jai Gurudev, dear students, children, we have already started chapter number 7, caring for our homes, and under this chapter we have studied about the features of an ideal house, means how we can make our house as an ideal house. And then I have explained you about the two kinds of wastes, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Okay, and how we manage these waste, that also we have studied, that we should use two kind of dustbins. One is green, which is for biodegradable, and second is blue, that is for non-biodegradable waste. Okay, so under this, children, decorating our home, I told you that so many things we can use to decorate our homes, like curtains, wall hangings, paintings, flower vases, decorative pieces, flowers, leaves. Okay, so all these things we can use to decorate our home. And other than this, we have studied about the rangoli patterns also. Means in our India, different part of our country has different kind of rangoli people make at their home. Okay, so and different people call this rangoli differently in their religion or in their custom. Like kolam, it is in southern India, this rangoli is called as kolam, and which is made with the white powdered dots. Okay, and second, I told you that Parsis, they made pukalam. They called their rangoli as pukalam, and they decorate their floors with pukalam by using flowers. And Bengalis, they decorate their floors with alpana. This is also a kind of rangoli, alpana, which is made with a rice paste. So all these things, children, we have already studied. After this, I told you that some more things they have given here, like paintings and different kind of handicraft materials. Okay, like figures, different kind of figures which have mentioned in this picture. Masks, bells, lamps, and wall hangings, wool, thread, painting, bamboo, clay, and many other natural materials. Means from different kind of other materials also we can decorate our home. So after this, children, I have explained you about the pets and pests. Children, pets are those animals which we keep at our home for our pleasure, for our happiness. But pests are the harmful animals, and they are the category of animals which enter in our houses without our permission or without our willingness. Okay, so they are called as unwanted visitors. Understood? So pests are dangerous for us because they can cause many dangerous diseases. They carry germs in them. Okay, so here so many kind of pests we have studied, like rats, lizards, cockroaches, mosquitoes, flies, spiders, and ants, etc. Okay, so about these we have studied in detail. And after this, we have studied about the pesticides, like how we keep our house free from these harmful animals or these harmful pests. So we should spray pesticides. Pesticides are those chemicals which are used to kill those harmful pests, and they keep the pest away. And children, here in this activity, it is an activity which is given for you, and here somewhere they have filled and somewhere you have to fill. So pests, here they have given the name of pests, and second column you write where we can see these pests, means place where seen. आप इनको कहाँ पे देखते हो अपने घर में, वो आपको लिखना. And third column, what they eat, means what is the food of these pests, what they like to eat. So here where blanks are there, you can fill according to your knowledge. Understood? So with this, children, our chapter is completed. After this, let's come to its exercise part. Its exercise is in the form of fill in the blanks. So children, in the fill in the blanks, first one is all of us like to live in beautiful dash, means all of us like to live in a beautiful house. So here you have to write house. So Bengalis decorate their floors with alpana. We just now, I have told you, we have studied in this chapter where we studied about Rangoli. From here they have taken that fill in the blanks, that Bengalis decorate their floors with alpana made with a rice paste. So Bengalis अपनी फ्लोर को किससे डेकोरेट करते हैं? अल्पना से. ओके, सो they call rangoli as an alpana. And third is dash are used to decorate the walls. Children, to decorate the walls of our rooms, we can use wall hanging. Okay, so here you have to write wall hanging. And fourth is we build special dash for pets. Pets like dogs, cats, parrots and rabbits. Some people, they keep different kind of animals as pets. Okay, so our pet animals, we can make a special house for them. Understood? Fifth one is dash are the carriers of many diseases. You know children, what are the carriers of many diseases? Carriers means कि वो लेके आते हैं उन diseases को. तो कौन लेके आते हैं? Pests. Okay, pests, P-E-S-T-S, pests, which are unwanted animals. And six is we must spray dash from time to time to keep away pests. Children, हमें time to time pesticides का स्प्रे करना चाहिए ताकि हम इन पेस्ट्स को दूर भगा सकें, वो हमारे घर में एंटर ना हो. तो पेस्टिसाइड्स क्या होते हैं? These are the chemicals which are used to kill the harmful pests. Okay, so after this, children, we will do the question answers in the next class. First question is, what is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes? Children, I told you that wastes are categorized into two categories, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So the waste which is generated from the living things, that is called biodegradable, and the waste which is not the waste of animal or plants or living things, that is called non-biodegradable. So difference we will write in the form of answer. So you should start writing the heading, answer the following questions in your EVS copy and write down first question, and in the next class I'll give you question answers. Okay children, so by the time once you revise this chapter and read it again and try to understand all the terms which we have studied in this chapter. So Jai Gurudev to all of you.